Radha Maharaj. So today we are having another topic which is related to our progress in spiritual life. Topic is lessons learned from sleep. So this is a very common phenomena, sleep. So request you, Maharaj, please throw some light on this topic and enlighten us in this regard. Over to you, Maharaj. Thank you.
So lesson learns from the sleep. Sleep is a common term, and we know what is sleep. And every day in the night we go to the sleep. See, one fact, it is clear that we get much happiness, peace, which we do not get by remembering our relatives, by remembering our worldly status. That means not remembering the worldly object. We get much peace, happiness. That is experience. When you go to the temple, that time you see the mind less worldly thoughts. Or when you go to the temple, you see the condition of the mind. You are not remembering your worldly thoughts, remembering your relatives and worldly objects. As a result, we get more peace, more happiness. So this is the fact that whenever you are not remembering your worldly relation, maybe your parents, maybe your brother, maybe your sister, then we get much happiness and peace or joy. See, that is a fact. The another fact, we get tired by having relationship with person and object. We get tired by having a relationship with the person and the object. The more we expose, the more we talk, the people, all the people, we get tired, whether in the office or in there any club or any society or any even exposure. You create a relationship and talking to them. So this relationship means you are talking, mixing these things, bring tiredness. You get tired. How do you remove the tiredness? We do away with the tiredness by sleeping. Whole day you are tired and we do away with the tiredness by sleeping. If a man is unable to sleep, man goes to the mat because he is so much exhausted, tired with the relationship with the world. So sleep strengthens, refreshes, and activates the body. And the relationship, maybe worldly relationship, maybe a relationship with your family, either close and near others of the relationship with the object and persons, deteriorates the refreshing power. That is also a fact we have realized it. After sleep, we are fresh, activate. So that is the statement that sleep strengthens and refreshes and activates the body for its relationship with the object. That means in waking state. It deteriorates and deteriorates the refreshing power. This fact is very well known. You are married, You have a children, you have a father, you have a mother, you spend time for them, money for them, everything. But when the time for the sleep comes, you are ready to give up the company of your kith and kin, company of your wife, company of worldly thought. When you have a sleep, when you go to sleep, then you are ready to give up all company, worldly objects, your kith and kin, family. At the time of sleep, we do not like all enjoyment with worldly people, with worldly objects, because that is a stimulation of the nerves. No more stimulation of the nerves. The moment object comes in contact with your senses, that is a stimulation. So at the time of the sleep, we do not like worldly enjoyment. We want sleep. For sleep, you have give up everything for the sleep. Here one is truth. I can give up everything for the sleep, but we cannot give up sleep for everything. So hence it is proved, sleep is more loving than all things in the world. Sleep is more loving than all things in the world. So that is the fact of the sleep. That truth is that for sleep we can give up everything, but for we cannot give up sleep for everything. We can give up everything for the sleep. We cannot give up sleep. That is why they said we cannot live without sleep. Sleep is necessary in the life. Then sleep means, in the other words, detachment of the world. Because that time you do not like the enjoyment by company of your kith and kin and relatives. So detachment of sleep is nothing but a detachment of the world. The separation. Detachment is, this detachment is spontaneous. You have to develop attachment. He is my wife, children, friends. You develop this kind of attachment. But when you go to the sleep, it is automatic. Automatic, you have to go to the sleep. So detachment is also automatic. Whereas attachment, you have to develop attachment. But the thing is that detachment is automatic. Automatic it will happen. And you need to cultivate. The detachment is your own and real, while the attachment is assumed and unreal. That is important. So we have seen sleep is automatic. Attachment, sleep is automatic and spontaneous. Attachment you have to develop. So this attachment is assumed and unreal. That is why it is not spontaneous, automatic. You have to develop it. So this is the fact that we commit blunder, that we accept the assumed attachment as the true, assume attachment as it true. Do not pay attention to the detachment, that is sleep. There's so much lessons there in the detachment, which is spontaneous. You need not to cultivate detachment. It is spontaneous. If you see in the light of the sleep, it will automatically come. And that is why it is not so much peace and happiness in attachment than detachment. It is true. There is not so much peace and happiness in attachment as in detachment. So as our relationship is assumed, world is assumed, if we give up, we may get eternal joy today, which we are hungering, which we are striving for, but we are not able to understand that detachment brings this kind of joy which you want, peace, bliss. So attachment cannot bring. It is illusion. As attachment also assume illusion. Similarly, the attachment cannot never give you so much joy as in the detachment. So in that light, you can think world is not ours. We do not love relationship of world so much that we may give up sleep. We do not love relationship of the world so much that we may give up sleep, hunger, thirst. So this is the truth you have to know it. Actually, do not want a relationship of the world, relationship with the world. You want detachment. People want detachment. And in our day-to-day practical life, you will find, for sake of the detachment, people say, you are fed up with the family. For 4 or 5 days, you will go to a hill station or any tourist place where I will be alone and I will get more peace of mind. There is people traveling, enjoying their holiday in a solitude. These are the signs that detachment is more loving than attachment. That is happening in everybody's life and in the society also. They are going out for living alone. That means detachment from the total world, detachment from the relatives also. But only relationship with the God, if that relationship develop, we do not care sleep. If you develop the relationship with the God, that joy, bliss is so much, then we cannot care for the sleep, hunger and thirst. So this relationship, this world is relationship with us, which is world is self-made and artificial. That is a very important one. This world is artificial and self-made. Self-made and artificial. So then beautiful definition of the world is self-made and artificial. It is as a true sleep and attachment. Attachment is artificial, assumed, and self-made. I love this girl. This is my attachment. You may not love this girl, other girl. So if you see this way, that is self-made and artificial in that sense, it will not remain. You want to detach from this kind of relation for the sleep. When you go to the sleep, and sometimes you are fed up and go in a solitude place to spend the time. So these are the lessons from the sleep. You should remember that even you are in the society, your family is there, but as Sri Ramakrishna used to say, heart of the heart, you remember nobody is yours. That is proved. Nobody is yours. In the sake of sleep, you see, you are forgetting, giving up everything. So it is in your, nobody is yours. Heart of the heart, God is your own. Because if you develop love of the God, a relation with the God, we do not care for the sleep also. So these are the points I discussed. And now we can ask any questions.
Thank you, Maharaj. Very fine points you have elaborated here. Anybody having any question, please do come up. Dr. Amit, Anand, Puneet ji, Sudipta ji.
आनंद क्या बोलता है?
प्रणाम महाराज। महाराज कई जगह नेटवर्क हमारे यहाँ थोड़ा वीक है, तो कई बार फोन नेटवर्क कट जा रहा है। मतलब मैं आपकी तो कई बार मुझे अपने आप जोड़ना पड़ रहा है। यहाँ गांव है ना, तो यहाँ नेटवर्क कंटिन्यूअस नहीं होता, बीच बीच में। आज मौसम भी खराब रहता है, तो ऐसा भी होता है।
इधर भी मौसम खराब है।
स्लीप तो एक अच्छा, उधर भी खराब है।
आज सबका ये ऑन करो तो कौन कौन आया, वीडियो ऑन करो, देखने दो कौन कौन आया। एक मोनीश।
प्रणाम महाराज।
Any question you having, please do ask. Maharaj, a small question Bharat, you may take. That this is the sleep is very common phenomena, and very finely you have elaborated how the attachment and detachment it takes place. So a natural question may come that despite seeing all this, why people keep on developing their attachment to the word? We see that it is only detachment which gives pleasure to us, and in heart of the heart, sometimes we know it all.
What is the cheap person? Cheap person means easily, without any efforts. I call it a cheap person. So we are also very attached to the cheap joy or enjoyment. So easily you can get it through attachment. But it is cheap. It will not live long lasting. So people are running after this cheap, not serious, not maturity has come. So people are running after that. They will realize one day that they are not getting anything. They are fooled, hypnotized. And as Swami Vivekananda used to tell, you are already hypnotized. You have to de-hypnotize. So we all are hypnotized to the cheap attachment and cheap joy. Through attachment, you get some kind of sensation and stimulation of sensation, some kind of joy. But that you have seen that joy is not temporary, for time being. Then after half an hour, the sensation want to change. You go to the other object, again there is sensation. Then next you move to the other object, there is sensation. So it is going on changing. So you are hypnotized by this kind of happiness or attachment or this. We have to de-hypnotize ourselves with the detachment. As Swami Vivekananda beautifully said, we have not come to hypnotize you. We have come to de-hypnotize. So everybody, all the people are hypnotized by this Maya, we call attachment. This is the source of easy sensation or stimulation of nerves. So get some kind of out of stimulation, the kind of joy. So everybody running after that. That it is, they beautifully call it that it is like a pitcher with a hole. मटका होता है ना, उसका अंदर एक होल है. Pitcher with a hole. The water if you go on pouring it, never fill up. We have developed like that, a pitcher with a hole. So many joy, whatever you are earning, but nothing is remain, not satisfying you. We are like a pitcher with a hole in the bottom. And only mature persons, they can stop that hole. So they become full of joy. Otherwise, worldly people don't have peace or joy because of that hole. As Sri Ramakrishna used to tell also, remember that paddy field, the wall is there, both side water is there, then one hole is there, all water flowing out. So similarly, in the name of the attachment, we are running after whole life and earning and so many things you are getting, house, car. But everything there is hole, फूटा है, बस वहां से सब निकल जा रहा है. स्थिति, situation will remain as it is, no changes. Yeah, unhappy. Now it is clear.
Yes, Maharaj. No, thank you very much. Anybody else having any question? Or we may close now.
अभी ऐसा पूछने से वो बताएगा, बोले फूटा हुआ मटका ले क्या करो.
Yes, Maharaj.
आनंद सुनाई दिया? आनंद सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. ठीक है, you can. Thank you and very happy all of you come. Have my blessings, love and blessings. हाँ, अच्छा.